Hey, I'm both celebrating and saying thank you. Thank you so much for anyone who has shared what I do with others, for the increasing referrals that I'm getting from past clients, referring people they know, or just sharing um, what I've done and their experience with me, with others, and those people becoming uh, new clients, trying a session with me. Yeah, thank you so much for all that. I really appreciate you sharing your experience and what I do, as well as for the new folks who've tried to session with me. Thank you for trusting me um, and trusting the person that referred you to me. And yeah, specifically, I just want to share that wow, I really appreciate some of the new folks who have traveled, a really significant distance, sometimes many hours drive to, yeah, experience a wonderful session with me. So thank you so much, and I just want to say I appreciate it, and it's one of the largest compliments that I can get, and the gifts I can get is when you share about your experience or just share about me to others. So thank you. I love you. I appreciate you. And just thank you so much for helping me do this work, this transformation in the world.